this kind of products, like the single axis robot, is used in most of their machine for assembly and inspection.
Okay.
Yeah. So this welding robot application is also a future trend in the industry, especially in automobile sectors, or even not only the welding, even for the loading and unloading, pick and place, especially after COVID time. There's a lot of people, most of the customers, they face a lot of labor shortages. So when now people are going in this trend for automation in their factory, because it's a non-contact surface, so there's no gear mechanism, so you don't get backlash after a period of time.
हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दोस्तों मैं हूं आपका होस्ट एंड दोस्त हम आप देख रहे हैं इंजीनियर ऑन रोड। वेलकम टू ताइवान मशीन टूल शो 2024। और अभी मैं आपको लेकर आ गया हूं हीविन कंपनी के स्टॉल पर, और यहां पर काफ़ी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स इन्होंने शोकेस किए हैं। उन्हीं प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में देखने वाले हैं। अगर आप बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं या इस तरह की प्रोडक्ट्स आप परचेज करना चाहते हैं तो वीडियो आपके लिए काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है। सो हेलो सर, हाउ आर यू?
Hello, I'm good.
Can you introduce yourself and about your company?
Yeah, hello, my name is Simon. I'm looking after the India market. Hyven, we are a leading manufacturer in motion control and system technology products. We started off with the manufacturing of ball screws, linear guideways, industrial robot, and now we have moved on to industrial robot and torque motor rotary tables, and we have the bearings, cross roller bearings, the Datorker strain wave gearbox, which is the key component in all the robotic arms, and with our sister company Microsystem, we can also supply the electrical parts like the servo motors, drives, linear motors, and torque motors. So we are the electromechanical integration solution provider for our customers.
So where is your manufacturing facilities and where is your head office?
Our head office is located in Taichung, which is the center of Taiwan. Yeah, we have 7 plants in Taiwan, all over Taiwan, and all our products we are manufacturing in Taiwan.
Oh, so you are one of the largest manufacturer of this kind of product.
Yeah, you can say in Taiwan we are the largest manufacturer in Taiwan for this linear motion products.
Okay, so you are showcasing a lot of products here. So can you introduce some of products?
Yeah, sure. Okay. We can have a look. Okay. So now first I will introduce our torque motor rotary table. So torque motor rotary table is developed by Hyven with the help of the torque motor supplied from our sister company Microsystem. So our Hyven torque motor rotary table is equipped with a water-cooled torque motors. Unlike the traditional mechanism where we have the gearbox, the advantages of this torque motor rotary table is that it has a high speed and high accuracy. So because it's a non-contact surface, so there's no gear mechanism, so you don't get backlash after a period of time. So the maintenance is also low. And with the high-speed application, it can run up to this RAB 630. It can go up to 1000 RPM and a torque of 810 Newton meters. So in the traditional rotary table with the gearbox, the maximum RPM is only around 100 RPM. So when you use the torque motors rotary table, you can increase the speed. So when you increase the speed, you have the higher productivity.
That's true.
Yeah, higher productivity. So in a lot of applications now, like for the manufacturing of the aerospace components, the electric vehicle components, the medical components, the demand is increasing day by day. So with the help of this rotary table, the productivity of the customers can also be increased. And the other advantage of this torque motor rotary table is it can do the turn mill at the same time. With the high speed, it can do turn mill. So in previous cases, customers, when they have to do turning and milling, they have to separate machines, the turning and the milling centers. But if you have it with our torque motor rotary table, the high speed torque motor table, it can do turn mill in a single machine. So it can save the space, the floor space of the customers as well. Yeah.
So here is the next one.
Yeah, this one is this exhibit, this machine which you are showing is equipped with our intelligent guideway. So with this i4.0 guideways, this can have the function of vibration and the temperature diagnosis. And since this is for the semiconductor, this is used in a semiconductor, we also have this single axis stage with linear motors. Okay. So these linear motors are also a non-contact type. So it can give high speed and high accuracy, which is very suitable in semiconductor industry.
So here, what are the parameters here?
No, this is we can, because this one is equipped with intelligent guideways.
Okay.
So this sensor over here, it can diagnose. It can diagnose the temperature and the vibration. So customer can set a limit of the maximum temperature. Yeah, it can allow. So if it exceeds the temperature, it will give an alarm. For example,
there is an alarm system there.
yes. So basically, if maybe if there's a misalignment which causes a friction, the temperature will increase. So this will also let customer know that okay, there's a misalignment and there's an increase in the temperature. Or if there's any vibration in the machine or in the table, it will also give an alarm to the operator.
Okay, so each and every parameters are guided by
From this
yes.
sensor to the edge computing model.
Okay, okay.
Similar one we have for the ball screws as well, and for the ball screws the extra features is for the live prediction and the smart lubrication. And the smart lubrication function, especially in this current trend of ESG, this can help the customer save a lot of oil during the lubrication, because when you run a machine, normally the lubrication is standard, the frequency is standard, but with the help of the smart lubrication function, it will only pump when required by the system. So generally, overall, you can reduce a lot of oil wastages.
So next one, sir.
Okay, so this is our Hywind robot. Hywind, we have also developed our own robot. This is a Hywind made robot, and the key components in the robot, like the strain wave gearbox, are all using our own component. So this Hywind welding robot, it's a 10 kg payload. So currently this one, the controller can control maximum up to 9 axes.
Okay.
Yeah, so this welding robot application is also a future trend in the industry, especially in automobile sectors, or even not only the welding, even for the loading and unloading, pick and place, especially after COVID time. There's a lot of most of the customers, they face a lot of labor shortages. So when now people are going in this trend for automation in their factory. So previously, if you go to customer and for this automation, people will have a second thought, because they will count on the return on investment. But now after COVID time, when they face a lot of shortages, the requirement and demand for the robots in the pick and place or in welding has increased a lot.
Okay, so you are manufacturing this type of robots?
Yeah, we manufacture this complete set.
Complete setup.
Yeah, we can provide a complete set of this welding robot,
Okay.
with the robot, the rotary tables, and this control.
So here is your next one product.
Yeah, so like I said, now automation is a key trend in all the industry. So Hywind, we have our single axis robot. And with the help of this single axis robot, we can also help customers to make this Cartesian robot. And this Cartesian robot, it's used in a lot of applications like the assembly and testing, especially now when Apple is coming to India as well. So in the assembly line and testing equipment, this kind of products like the single axis robot is used in most of their machine for assembly and inspection. Okay. Yeah. So this is also a key product for this automation.
I am from India, so is there any dealer distributor in India?
Yes, we do have a distribution channel in India, and Hywind products are readily and very easily available in India. So if you have any requirement, you can also visit our website at www.hywind.tw, and you can send a request on the email business@hywind.tw, and once we receive it, we can contact the customer, and then we can support them for their requirement. They are the local stockists, so if you have requirement based on your requirement, we can give your request to our distributors, and they can support our end customers in India. And since Hywind,
your engineers are visited to.
Yes, we visit Hywind. Myself, I visit India very often. Yeah, almost every month I visit in India. So our people, my colleagues and myself, we also visit our customers in India. Yeah.
If we talk about the warranty policies and after sale services, what will be there?
The warranty normally for this kind of products is a 1-year warranty. But of course, Hyvin, even after the warranty, we will definitely also give our support to our customers. And our distributors and channel partners have been in collaboration with Hyvin for many years. So they are also like knowledgeable about providing the service on Hyvin products. Yeah, this is my business card.
Yeah. So here is website and email address. You can check their website and email. Okay.
Yes.
And at last, what do you want to say about your company and about your products to Indian consumer?
Okay, so Hyvin, we have been in India market for more than 30 years, and we have supported a lot of customers in industries like machine tools, automation, packaging, printing, semiconductor, medical. So in any equipment where you have a linear or a rotary motion requirement, you can consider Hyvin, and we'll definitely be happy to support you.
Thank you very much. Once again, thank you.